Hello children, today we are going to learn wild animals. These animals live in forest or in nature. They hunt for their own food and water. We can find the wild animals in zoo or in forest. The first one is kangaroo. Kangaroo. Monkey. Monkey loves to eat banana. Wolf. This is fox. Fox. This is hippopotamus. Hippopotamus. Zebra. Zebra. This is giraffe. Giraffe. This is elephant. Elephant. This is tiger. Tiger. This is panda. Chimpanzee. This is chimpanzee. Lion. This is lion, called king of forest. Bear. This is bear. Deer. This is deer. Like, share and subscribe if you like the video. Thank you for watching.